What is up, everybody, and welcome back to API Explorers. We're going to show you today how to sync BombBomb and KVCore and get those information and details anytime somebody opens an email or plays one of your videos inside of BombBomb. So first, head into apination.com, sign in or create your account, and in the search apps bar, go ahead and search Webhooks. We're going to search Webhooks, and then our second app that we're going to choose is KVCore. And basically what I'm going to do here is select a sync. So once I have both my apps connected or are chosen, I'm going to go ahead and select a sync. So basically what I want to do is anytime a video is played or video email is opened, I want to go ahead and post a note to a KVCore contact timeline. So we're going to go ahead and click on activate on that third one there. Next, what we're going to do is go ahead and connect a new webhook. And this is going to be labeled inbound. So inbound is basically going to be able to accept or retrieve the data from BombBomb. So we're going to label this BombBomb, and we're going to go ahead and generate a webhook. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy this URL that they've provided and head into my BombBomb platform. Within BombBomb, let's head over to your profile photo and click on integrations. Now, once we get into the integrations tab, we're going to go ahead and search for webhooks, and you'll see that we get it right here. Now, what I'm going to do here is very important to pay attention to details, because I'm going to go ahead and provide the webhook URL. So we're going to go ahead and paste that, and we're going to click on Add Webhook. Now, if you scroll down further, you're going to see all of the events in which a webhook is triggered. So when a contact is added to a list, a contact is suppressed, contact is updated, an email is clicked. So these are all important to take notes, because you'll basically be able to decipher what event you want to have that workflow sync inside of API Nation run with. So maybe that is contact updated, or maybe that is emails clicked or email opened. Now I point that out because they all have different types of payloads. So with any API interface, whether it's Postman or Zapier or PipeDream or PipeDream, you'd be able to wouldn't be able to map because of how the differences in payload. So what we're going to do here is go ahead and send a test. And then head into API Nation's configuration webhook page and go ahead and click on test, and you'll see that we received it. Now, like I was just pointing out, there's differences in the payload. So you can see here we only received text and a timestamp. That's not exactly what I was looking for. So what I'm actually going to do is head into BombBomb, and I'm going to go into videos. And let's go ahead and send a video email. So we'll go ahead and click on record our first here, because I just created this account, and I'm going to go ahead and allow. And now what I need to do is, you'll be able to see me there, say hi to everybody. So we'll go ahead and click on record, 3, 2, 1, and we'll just give you the thumbs up, the peace sign, and the wave, right? So we'll go ahead and hit stop. Now that that is done, we'll go ahead and click on save. And this video is saved. Sorry for the face there. We're a little tired, but let's keep rolling. So there's our BombBomb video. Let's go ahead and email this out with a BombBomb template. And I'm going to email it to a contact within my KVCore platform. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my contact here, and that's who it's going to. And let's just quickly send that off. So now that that is sent, let's head back into API Nation's configure webhook, and you'll see they have a test again button. I absolutely love this. It makes it simple when you're testing the differences in payloads or different contact details coming over. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my email here on my other screen, and I'm going to go ahead and open that email. So now that I opened it, I'm not going to click play or anything like that, but I'm going to click test again, and now you'll see email sent. And then here in a moment, you'll also see email open. So if we clicking test in a moment, we'll be able to see that that email was open. But you can also see the email addresses and so forth and the contact details. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on play, and I'm going to play this video on my second monitor here. And let's go ahead and test again. So we can see email opened, and let's go ahead and play the video. So the video got played. Now we're going to go ahead and test again. So video played. Now that's the event that I'm after. So I'm going to go ahead and click finish because it looks good. Then we'll select our KVCore account. And now all I need to do here is go sync webhooks person to KVCore note and click on subscribe. Now, this is really cool because API Nation has webhooks in beta phase right now. So that just basically means that you can go in there and use it for free. Yes, that said that for free for the time being, you'll be able to use their webhooks. So we're going to go ahead and use the filter. I did that on purpose because the event name equals, and if we scroll down in the note title, I'm going to go ahead and place the event name, right? So video played. So we could actually just copy this text here if we wanted to and go up here and then place that into there, click save. So now what I'm going to do is the note title will actually be, maybe I want to make it the video name. And then the details, you could say this contact just played a video named, and then you could also add that video name in there as well. All right. Now, in order for this to update the right contact, we do need to add the email address. So you saw we got the email in here. So there it is. There's that payload contact. And then we're done. Basically, all I need to do is just give this a really exciting name or something that's identifiable, right? So BombBomb video played. And then we'll go ahead and click on Activate Sync. Now, this is really cool because anytime that event happens now, so I'm just going to go ahead and resend this to myself. And before we do that, let's just do a search by my email inside of KVCore. And it looks like it should be in there. So yeah, we got a contact in there. So let's go ahead and send this to myself and quickly do a test, right? So we'll go ahead and send that. So now I'm going to go ahead and open it here in a moment once I receive it. There we go. Opened. And let's go ahead and play it. And now let's head into my KVCore platform and let's click on one of these contacts. And here, any moment now, we should see some notes appear, right? So those notes will appear here in a moment in this contact's timeline, letting you know that that video has been played. And one thing I'm going to point out here is when it says processing, right? So here in a moment, we should see a success message. If you don't, you know you've done something wrong. Check your setup. So we'll go ahead and quickly refresh. And then any moment now, we should get a success. All right, there we have it. We have our success message. So now let's go into our KVCore timeline, and we should see some notes on this contact's record. So there you go. You can see the video name, and this contact just played a video named December 29th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. You've been watching API Explorers. Have a great day, and hopefully this helps you set up your connection from KVCore to KVCore and BombBomb, getting those events leveraging API Nation's Webhooks app. Thank you. Have a great night.